And so, adventure begins. October 26, 2025, ang first day gala namin. And first stop is Universal Studios Singapore. Yes, and big thanks to Nong Nong Nimpa na she gave big discount sa aming USS at sayang hindi siya nakasama. Kasi original plan, dapat kasama sila para makapag-bonding kami. But unfortunately, may nangyari. So, kami lang talagang tatlo yung nakapag-tour. But then again, one thing for sure, hindi pa naman yun ang first and last visit namin sa Singapore. So, we're looking forward for more. Hopefully! So, tara! Let's explore Universal Studios. Medyo wrong timing ata yung punta namin kasi it's almost lunch and Sunday, so expect na maraming tao ang mamamasyal. At dahil sobrang init, as you can see, payong is life. At sa sobrang dami ng rides na pwedeng pasukan, unfortunately, hindi kami pwede dahil masyado pa pong bata si Matt. Kahit gusto natin mag-grow... Ay! Dino!
Safety perimeter on the track for your protection. Thank you. We want to let you know, do not cross this line
At may kasama po ako nag-voice over ngayon, si Boy Dino, pero takot naman. Sa dami ng rides, ang nasakyan lang ata namin is dalawa.
Dino! Dino!
Dino na naman, ha? Puro ka na Dino, boy. Yeah!
Galing mo ba? Drive!
What? Hawakan mo, kala ko hawak mo to. Snake man, snake.
Crocodile! Hey,
Oh,
snake,
no,
magaling.
snake.
Oh, crocodile.
Matt, crocodile.
Crocodile man.
Hindi niya. Ayun kasi, oh. Matt, there. Crocodile, Matt.
Hello.
At ito na muna yung tour namin sa Universal Studios kasi sobrang init at kawawa na rin yung bata, namumula na yung pisngi niya. And hopefully, by next time, ma-explore pa namin yung buong Universal at sana yung time na medyo hapon or paggabi para hindi mahirap maglakad kasi ang init. So yun, By night, meron pa rin kaming gala sa Marina Bay Sands naman.